I and I rule the arena. Sound of God dead in the arena. Tonight he lose a life in the arena.
Yeah man, cause City Lock. You're not fearing us all. Ahead of me, City Lock is here. City Lock you fear, young song, no enough fear. City Lock won't kill young song, cause we don't care.
Sound for dead, shut up the man, roll it. City Lock, I go murder a sound in here tonight. A lot of them going to suffer tonight.
City Lock, have mercy. Tell me say one thing, City Lock him can't understand. Tell one thing, City Lock him can't understand. What make all them a come fi come test the champion? What make all them a come fi come test the champion? Because some of them a ask me where we get it from, and some of them a ask me where we get it from. And I two them don't know it's from creation, but I two them don't know it's from creation. Bam bam, tell me say one time, bam bam.
A little sound better pack up and run. Yeah. See why you wanna walk like we? Why you wanna talk like we? You can't play a sound like we. Then you really wanna be like we. I said a king without his crown remain king. But a sound that lose the dub, like the greedy sound that lose the bone. So why you wanna walk like we? Why you wanna talk like we?
Now around the trap, I could tell them something, say. This is original City Lock professional pan them tears. Them better know. I'll go on like them no more. Yo, City Lock strong. City Lock strong, you know. Any sound we kill from where here we no wrong, you know. Them better know. I'll go on like them no more. Yo, City Lock strong. City Lock strong, you know. Any sound we kill from where here we no wrong, you know. Till sound mercy, you the devil take set man, you know. When we done, you have to go check a mother, woman, or son, a Christian, you know. City Lock, inna the dance about some tune and just you know. Let the people them and just jump up and you know.
Alright. That one a name blaze up Italwa. Yes, my sound Talawa. Kill sound boy, give them the copper. Blaze up Italwa. Little but me Talawa. Kill sound boy, City Lock. Then that one a name. Killing for them. Test City Lock and sound boy get that one a name. Killing for them. Test City Lock and sound boy get. With a ring, tin. Boy, them dead when machine them ring. Nothing for your blog and nothing for your bling. Nothing for your tatter, me clip them wing. Metal projectile we cut through skin. Boy, them feet say a stone man a fling.
You know don't know it already, man. Shabaran's the dancehall emperor. Alongside City Lock, the platinum sound. And we are make them know enough. City Lock. When it come to sound clash business, we no run. When it come to sound clash business, we no play.
To them, Stein aka the Brown God representing. Now City Lock. Rise the thing them from hell. Boy, mother start all. Warm to them part. Only blink. What we no fling? Pussy wall no dead. Pussy over there so no dub them regular. That's why City Lock bust your head regular. Regular dub who no come with a war. Well if a war then a war. All inside. City Lock. We don't play, yo don't come my way, cause y'all gonna die one day, and we ain't gonna fly one day. No, gonna play, and yo don't come my way, cause y'all gonna die one day, and we ain't gonna fly one day.
City Lock murder boy, all forces will not be here. Yo this City Lock bomber will disappear. Murder boy, all forces will not be here. Me head to the cave with this spear. City Lock murder boy, all forces will not be here. Well if you this $1 you must disappear. Murder boy, all forces not be here.
Hey, can't kill them. People them. Bumbo will come run up, in time gun up. Boy skin burn up and with 4-5 gun up. You know wait for sun up. Boy life done up. Bullet from the gun. City Lock. Bumbo was for no. Every day killing cross my mind. If a boy want dead, just pass the line.
Hear me the man City Lock sound, the anthem sound from Europe. You know a thing going El Green going on. Grung them. Pull up. City Lock. You know it already, you know. All of them are some clown, yeah. Hear me no city lock sound. All we need is clip full and get a bad driver. The men shella spend shella man a chop like what? Top striker, boom boom, top striker. When we up with no miss, my day go miss them. The amount of dope people on this up like what?
Far, city lock. I wonder what them bad mind you for. Ooh, Chacha is coming soon. Morning or night or noon. To protect the people them from the heathen. So boy, city lock. See them all come there, but then I run.
Exclusives are we them envy. Watch your number sicker.
Yo Jamil, yo Dexter.
Yeah, me no Dexter Dabs.
City lock.
Jump and can't win no clash. But this thing a city lock.
Yo city lock.
It's like you never know city lock sound a kill boy from day one. I want to some waste man, we not just play song. I the rifle shot a spray from city lock I go murder them. Bumbo clot.
Hustle them.
The little pussy full of talk, so a gun we pop off and stop you for
Hold on. Hustle them.
Yeah. City lock I go murder them, kill them all. Why start with no stall or any pussy this like rain them a fall.
Yeah, me ask the man Tommy Dollar.
Yeah, me not
Hold on, from sound fit dead city like you want call. We got the body in a 90s dance hall. Can't be bad like 90s dance ball. Me do sex so we don't worry, egg can't fall. Boy skin coulda tougher than all wall. When me cell phone there, make a small call. A city lock sound that with it all call. Can't be bad like 90s dance hall.
Shop pick him up like a bus we go downtown.
Friday the Vice of Valiant represent City Lock from Germany and France. Your Fabi Benz, Tommy Dollar, Ali Bling, Tasha and Paco. You know, dance, cheap. Hey, hey, hey! Yo City Lock, yo Germany, yo France, au revoir. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Yo City Lock! Hey! Move out the way, city lock, I'm at some my day. Move, move, move.
Hey, hey.
No matter move out the way.
City lock.
I'm at some.
Boy, man, let me say something. Say something, my brother. Yeah, one of them, yeah. Yeah. Hello?
Check.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, me can't hear you. You can't lift up the mic and look at higher for yourself, yeah. So
Yeah.
Okay, you go. Yes, indeed, my people. Get a special hour. City Lock juggling some vicious and some venomous dub plates. So, City Lock, quick and fast. The time is always at the essence around here. Could you tell us where you're hailing from, where you're coming from?
Well, I come from France.
Right.
I used to live in Berlin for like 7 or 8 years or something like that. And yeah, I built a sound before back in the days, and then step by step I joined the City Lock Sounds from Berlin. Mm-hmm. And yes, since 2015 or something like that now. I mean, I'm playing with City Lock.
So from 2015 to now, 2023,
like that,
you're rocking steady with City Lock.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me want you, man. I want you to send greetings to your people in your language.
Yeah, man. Bonjour. Big up à everybody. Big up tout le monde. En France, en Allemagne. The whole Europe, the whole world actually. Everything good.
See there. So, I mean, City Lock. What brings you to New York City? What was the occasion? Because
well, the first thing was the World Bash.
Yes, big up to the World Bash, you mean?
That's why, when I saw the fly, like, I don't know, the 10th time on my feed, I said, man.
After reach.
Fuck it, let's go.
Yes.
And yeah, then I extended the trip a bit.
Yes.
Since I'm not in New York every day.
Correct.
So I had a couple of people to check also.
Yes.
Big up Puma from LP.
Yeah, man,
Puma.
big up Puma.
There.
Yes, man, big up Puma, man. What do you mean?
And yeah, this was really great so far.
So great so far. So this is the first time you've been in New York?
Well, the first time I was 9 or something. I was still the Twin Towers.
Standing, unfortunately, so so kind of
like a restart.
Yeah.
And I'm a grown man now.
Right. But so now we're here now, and we're looking for more future ventures with City Lock Sound in the whole of America and across the world. Correct? We like more dances and
yeah, man.
All right. So
yeah, man.
Is there any sound that you would like to clash?
Anyone?
Anybody?
Yeah, I mean we got some couple offers.
Yes.
Straight and if the money there and
we're ready.
Everything there, man, we've always dub every week anyway.
Every week?
So since we're the plate agency, you know,
yes,
I go. Yeah, the box is there.
So the box is heavy and ready for anybody.
And 1 hour was short, but didn't play no hip hop, didn't play no new stuff, no nothing.
Oh man,
but yeah, man, don't worry yourself. We loaded.
So, how long are you gonna be in New York?
Yeah, I'm leaving on Friday.
Okay, leaving on Friday.
But I will come back.
Okay, good.
Definitely, let me come back.
Good. So we enjoyed the juggling. Right here in the Reggae King Radio. Thank you very much for
man.
busy schedule.
Big up on yourself. Big up for that Sprockets also. The World Housefuller family.
Yes.
Dallas Sapphire Studio. That's where we met, actually.
Yes, that's where we met in Kingston, Jamaica. That's right.
And with Eminex.
With Eminex.
You played before.
Right. Eminex is a wicked artist. Enough respect to Eminex.
So yeah, big up everyone who tuned in. My sound, everybody. Was really great for me. Big up again.
So you said 2024 and beyond, anything will come at City Lock, we're dead, right?
Yeah, man.
I like that. Big up City Lock for passing through. Definitely.
Thanks for having me.
Like we say, su casa la casa. My house is your house. Anytime you want to, you come to New York or anywhere I'm at playing music, you're more than welcome.
Yeah, man, we appreciate it.
Yeah, man, because I one family, you know what I mean? Family? One family. Yeah, man, big up yourself. So once again, big up City Lock for definitely passing through. Big up all the people got locked on to Reggae King Radio. Enough respect every time you want.
Big up, blah.
So is there any number, any link you can give the people for your booking?
Man, you can check City Lock Sound. We got the website actually, citylock.com, citylocksound.com, IG, Facebook. I guess we have a TikTok maybe. I'm not into that shit actually, but I guess we have one.
Well, yeah.
Check Semi-Dollar. It's more.
Yeah, yes. In these times of social media, I'm sure you have one.
Yeah, man. Everything we have to bust through.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear about it.
So big up City Lock Sound, man. Johnny, one of my favorite songs them play a while ago, man. Somebody. Yeah, man. Big up City Lock. Enough respect every time. Thanks for passing through.